Autoclaves are some of the most advanced pieces of sterilization technology in the industry, and it takes a lot of upkeep and maintenance to maintain that reputation. Failure to perform this maintenance, however, can lead to some unsavory results. And here at SAS, we get many different horror stories from the workshop. So in this video, we'd like to share some of these horror stories with you and show you why maintenance is so important. For example, this first entry shows the exact reason why you should always change your check valve on time.
A bad check valve can lead to a costly repair. This compressor is completely shot. This check valve right there is supposed to stop steam from getting into the compressor.
This next clip is another good example of why you should always check your chamber before you sterilize. Any items left over in the chamber can cause potential damage to your sterilizer, and you'll be the one left picking up the mess. And for our honorable mention, we here at Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions would like to remind you to always keep your small tools in proper packaging, or you will find them in the most unexpected of places. So if you have any questions about proper autoclave maintenance or anything else, please give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. And for more autoclave horror stories, keep it here with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.